If you think that you cannot manifest easily, your wishes are not getting fulfilled, and you are not getting anything that you desire, then the problem must be you. That means maybe you are not a good receiver and you deny receiving everything because you think you don't deserve it. So to receive your dreams, your wishes, and manifest instantly, you have to become a good receiver, a gracious receiver. And for that, you have to learn to accept compliments easily. You have to accept free gifts without feeling guilty about it. So open your heart to receive everything with gratitude and with love. When someone compliments you, don't deny it. Accept it and say thank you, and compliment the same. Take and give back. Like, become a gracious receiver and a generous giver. And if someone offers you a free cup of coffee, accept it with grace and gratitude. When you start receiving these small gifts from universe, you will be ready to receive all the good and all your desires easily, because then universe will see you as someone who receives graciously and who gives back. So universe will give you more opportunity to receive and to give. To manifest all your desires, you must become a gracious receiver and a generous giver. Just open your heart for the universe to bring all your desires and take one small step at a time. Next time when someone compliments you, accept it and do not feel guilty about it. Do not deny it. Accept it from your heart. And when you are giving someone compliment, give it from your heart. Like, do not fake it. Okay, this way your giving and receiving will be in balance, and the universe will bring you all your desires. You can manifest everything you ever wanted. Start by receiving a compliment, a free cup of coffee or a free chocolate. Just do not deny or do not feel guilty about receiving. Receive so that you give, and the more you receive, the more you can give. Affirm it. The more I receive, the more I give. The more I give, the more I receive. Keep affirming it and keep repeating it until you can receive effortlessly without feeling any guilt about it, without denying it. Okay, so try to repeat this affirmation over and over again until you become a generous giver and a gracious receiver. So simply saying this statement, you will become a generous giver and a gracious receiver, and all your desires will come into reality. So as I always say to my students, receive effortlessly. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.